Okay, welcome guys. Now in this video, we are in previous video we covered about is displayed, right? Now in this particular video, we are going for another method is selected. Okay, is selected method. In this video, we are going to discuss. Okay, so let me go back to this website, Internet Heroku app, where we are having one link checkbox. On this page, we are having two checkbox. One is checked and the other one is unchecked. So your requirement is to validate whether check whether checkbox one is checked or unchecked, and you also have to validate whether the checkbox two is checked or unchecked. How you can validate? We will be discussing it on this video. Okay, let me inspect now. Let's get to our Eclipse. Okay, now this is, I have already written this test. Okay, I'll just show you how it is. Now if you see, this first three lines are same for all of the tests what we have done so far. It is just setting up the property, launching the URL, the Internet Heroku app / checkbox. This is the URL we are launching. And then what we are doing, we are locating checkbox number one. Okay, now I have located checkbox number one. Here is my checkbox number one. And I have written the XPath for this is /input first. We are using the indexing concept here since both of the checkbox are under the same parent, and I'm just using a simplified version that is indexing in XPath. This is the first one, and this is your second one. Okay, this is your second one. Now we have located this checkbox number one using this XPath. I'll just show you. Yeah. So this is the XPath we have identified. I have written driver.find element by XPath. So my first checkbox has been identified, and I am validating on this whether this checkbox is selected or not. Similar to isDisplayed method, isSelected method is also returns a Boolean condition, a true or a false. So in this case, this checkbox is not selected. So if it is not selected, then it is going to return a false. And here we are just printing it on our console. I'll just run it and show you how it goes. Okay, we are on the web page, validated the condition. That's it. So it is coming out to be false. Yeah, obviously because it is not selected. Now what if I'll just check for my second one? I just since I said previously that I'm using the indexing concept, so I just replaced one with two. Okay, so this is my second one. Let me just show you. I'll just copy this XPath and show you over here. And just, yeah, see, it got highlighted. This is my second checkbox. It is, see, highlighting over here. Now I'm validating whether this is selected or not. It is going to return me, let's see. Okay, so okay, the test ran and it is returning true. Why it is returning true? Because checkbox 2 is selected. So this is how we use isSelected method in Selenium. I hope the session was useful. Let me know in the comments if you have any question, and do like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.